Have you ever wondered how it would feel to have the power of AI right in your pocket, without relying on distant servers or the cloud? Big tech players like Qualcomm, Apple, and Google are pioneering this on-device generative AI revolution. A world where your smartphone is smarter than you think is closer than you might imagine. So, what's driving this shift towards on-device AI, and who are the key players? But before we dive in, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer magnitude of this shift. It's not just about faster phones or smarter apps, it's about a revolution in how we interact with technology. Now, let's meet the game changers: Qualcomm, Apple, and Google. Each is harnessing on-device AI in its own unique way, from Qualcomm's rapid image generation to Apple's privacy-centric models and Google's photo enhancement. These tech giants aren't just using AI as in the cloud, they're making it a personal, private, and powerful asset right in our pockets. As these giants lead the charge, the potential of on-device AI is becoming increasingly clear. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic. But why does this matter to us, the end users, you might ask? On-device AI brings a promise of enhanced privacy, as our data won't need to travel across the internet. It also means increased efficiency, with AI operations running faster on our devices without latency issues. And let's not forget the potential cost savings from reducing the need for cloud-based services. So, in a world where privacy and efficiency matter, on-device AI could be the game changer we've been waiting for. But what does the future hold for on-device AI? The road to on-device generative AI is not without hurdles. Today's AI demands substantial computing power, which could impact battery life. But as technology advances, the need for even more potent resources will evolve. A hybrid approach could be the answer, where some tasks use the cloud while others run locally, saving costs and improving performance. This is a vision shared by giants like Microsoft and others. So despite the challenges, the shift towards on-device AI is a game changer. The journey to on-device AI is just beginning, and it promises to reshape our interaction with technology, making it faster, more efficient, and more private. The future of AI is right in the palm of your hand.